What is up, guys? Another day, another attachment. As you can see, I've got this metal crate here in front of me with this beautiful black shiny object inside, and this is the log grapple from Titan Attachments. But this is the mini skid steer log grapple because, as you know, we recently got a KRT ST900HD mini skid steer for our operation, and since we got that skid steer, we've been adding all kinds of cool attachments. As you saw in our other videos, we already have a claw style attachment. That one works good for what it is. There is specific purposes to use that for, but what we do here every day with our firewood operations, our log yard operation, and our sawmill operation, we needed a log grapple that is a fixed, almost like a fork style log grapple, so that we can come in, scoop the log, grab it, move it, and put it down in a very quick fashion. So we knew we had to reach out to our friends at Titan Attachments and get ourselves one of their log grapples. This is the 26-inch log grapple. It's made for mini skid steers, and it's gonna be perfect. We actually have the 29-inch version that we've been using on the tractor for the past 2 years, and it has been wonderful. We love that attachment so much, we knew we had to get one for the KRT. So today, this just arrived, just picked it up off the truck. So we're gonna unbox it. As you can see, it's in a nice little metal cage here. We'll unbox it, we'll get it all unwrapped here, and we'll get it on the KRT, and we're gonna test it out. I already know how this operates because we have the bigger one, but it should be pretty awesome. I can't wait to see it on the KRT. All right, so the attachment is bolted inside this metal shipping crate here. All of our attachments that we've gotten from Titan Attachments have come in these metal shipping crates to protect them. It is pretty awesome, and honestly, these metal crates are great for other objects or other projects here at the shop. So I may take this one and turn it into some kind of like maybe a coyote trap or something, but let's get some tools and let's get this thing unboxed. I think if I just take this top part off, I may be able to just hook up to the attachment and take it out of the top, so we'll see. Guys, this is like our, I think, 4th or 5th attachment from Titan Attachments. They make some really great stuff, and their customer service is on point. So if you guys are interested in any kind of attachments for your machines, whether it be a tractor, a skid steer, mini skid steer, whatever, they've got it. So head over to TitanAttachments.com. I will have a link in the description below, and you can find all the products that they have to offer. Make sure you let them know that Triple L Rustic Designs sent you to get a discount on your next purchase. Man, this thing's gonna look so good on the KRT. It's that beautiful black powder coat. It's gonna match the KRT perfectly. I can't wait to see it. I think I'm gonna have to take it all apart to be able to get it out. It's just a little snug in there, which is good for shipping, but let me get these other bolts off here. All right, let me go grab the KRT and we'll get the grapple taken out of this little crate. This is what I was talking about. This is the big brother of the grapple that we just received. This is the 29-inch version. We've been using it for 2 years on that tractor, and it is amazing. If you run a log yard or do anything with logs, you have to pick yourself up one of these log grapples from Titan Attachments. You will not be sorry. We call this the Bat Cave. This is the KRT's private garage. Keep them in here out of the elements. Let's go ahead and fire her up and get her out.
come from?
Right here. Yeah.
Oh, it's loose?
Yep.
Woo! It came out of that.
Yep.
All right, so wouldn't be a good show without a little drama. We had from shipping, these things get vibrations from shipping. So this hose right here, let me see if I can see it right in here. It's just loose from the shipping. So we'll get that tightened down and hopefully fix that leak right there. About shot Dad right in the face.
Always check your connections after shipping.
All right. This is like the chainsaw video where people are like, you didn't check your chain before using it? I'm like, no, I just thought it would work, but sometimes you gotta do a little pre-check. Oh yeah. Get this baby tightened down. I know what's wrong with it. It ain't got no gas in it. Okay, that one's pretty tight. Check the bottom. Oh, that one's a little loose too. The guy must have been off-roading, hitting a whole bunch of bumps. Caused all these bolts to get loosey-goosey. Alright. Alright. What else can I check?
We may want to put those like right there and zip tie them. Yeah, on the out, actually, that's probably better.
Yeah,
You get a good zip tie.
all right, so at no fault to tighten, just make sure when you get these attachments, you go over each one of these bolts, because as you can see, a lot of these bolts have loosened during shipping. So just snugging everything down here.
With a 1930s crescent wrench.
Yeah. So these hoses right now, the way they're sitting, they're like in between here and this bar. So I'm just gonna zip tie them over here out of the way. Go ahead and grease all these while we're here. Chew.
You'll see it.
Right here. If anybody knows a better grease gun.
There is. There's
Right
one
here.
that you open up a clamp.
Oh yeah, like a clamp style.
Yes.
She looks good. Looks real good on the KRT, even though the KRT is dirty. It's so dusty this time of year. We're gonna have to keep this thing washed every week to keep it looking good. But as you can see, we've got that 26-inch Titan Attachments log grapple mounted on the KRT ST900. It looks good, smells good. Let's get this thing out in the yard and pick up some logs. see, the 26-inch log grapple from Titan Attachments is going to work awesome on the KRT ST900. We're so glad to finally have this attachment here at the shop. As soon as we got the KRT, I knew I had to have one for our operation. You can just come in with these two forks, scoop up the log, use the grapple to close on the log, move it wherever you need, and position it perfectly. So this is a great attachment. I'm excited for how productive we're going to be here at the shop. Now we can have the KRT running log operations. So using the grapple, we're going to be grabbing logs, moving logs, and then we can keep the forks on the tractor. So for like firewood operations, we can use the KRT to grab the log, put it up in the firewood processor, and then as soon as the bin is full of firewood, we can use the tractor with the forks to come in, move the firewood, and we don't have to be switching in and out of attachments. So it's going to be really nice having both of these machines, and especially the log grapple and the KRT. We're super excited. Guys, if you are interested in any kind of attachments, whether it be for your tractor, your skid steer, your mini skid, whatever, you got to head over to Titan Attachments. I will have a link in the description below, and make sure you let them know that Triple L Rustic Designs sent you to get a discount on your next order. If you guys like this video, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for all of our future videos, and we'll see you on the next one.